Hello friends, welcome to BIOCHEMTECH. Now today I am going to teach you nomenclature of alcohol. So how to write the IUPAC name, IUPAC name of the given organic compound, given structure of the organic compound. Okay, so before naming of alcohol, okay, we have to remember the IUPAC rule. Okay, so different rule here, the what term, primary suffix, secondary prefix. Okay, we have to remember alkyl group, different alkyl group present in the compound, then which one written at first. Okay, so here functional group, the compound having functional group, here the all alcohol means this compound having the functional group, the compound containing functional group. So now first example, suppose our compound, simple compound, this compound CH3OH. So it is very simple. So meth is the word root, okay, and N means, okay, AN, and E replaced by ol. So here methanol, okay, methane and E can be replaced by ol. Now CH3, CH2 and OH. So here the number of carbon 2, so eth, and plus N and E replaced by ol, so ethanol. Okay, number of carbon increases, CH3, CH2 and CH2OH. Total number of carbon here 3 and OH is the functional group. Ol can be written. Okay, in case of the alcohol, ol is the secondary suffix. Okay, so now here what term? Suppose increase number of carbon 3, word root always write on word root. Okay, word root first you write, then primary suffix, then secondary suffix. Okay, and now before the word root, prefix. Prefix means here secondary prefix, not primary. Compound is cyclic, then only prefix. Here the secondary prefix, no primary prefix. So then word root is total number. Suppose your compound like this, so prop is the word root, prop plus ANE plus primary suffix is the ANE and secondary suffix is ol, and before the word root the term is what? No any term, no any alkyl group. Okay, no secondary prefix, so only prop. Okay, so prop plus N, what Ne replaced, and position of here was at the position we have to write, if more than 2 carbon then position, this OH bonded to the parent chain, that carbon means functional group bonded to the parent chain, parent carbon, here that carbon gets the lowest possible number. So we have to numbering right to left, 1 2 3. Here number 1 is the correct, this way is the correct. If you numbering left to right, 1 2 3, so this here position of OH is 3, here position of OH right to left 1, so this way right, left to right is the incorrect. Okay, yeah, left to right to left is the correct way. We have to try to give the lowest possible number, not number 1, try to give lowest possible number. So prop, and here the position is 1 and ol, so propane or 1 propanol, 1 propanol can be written. Okay, now in the next example, CH3, CH2 and CH2OH, but we have already written this propane 1 mole, but slightly different. Here CH3, CH and CH3, here OH. Okay, so now here this way we select. Now this one is the functional group, hydroxyl functional group. Okay, hydroxyl functional group. Okay, this is term, what term written? All term can be written in case of what? Secondary suffix. Okay, total number of carbon here the 3, so we have to numbering 1 2 3, 1 2 3, so both way we get the position is second. Okay, and primary suffix is what? A and E. Okay, so A and E, here the whole term, no any primary prefix, secondary prefix means no any alkyl group. So we can write directly, prop is the word root, plus here the A and E plus here position of this 2 and ol. Okay, so E replaced by this ol. So propane 2-ol or 2-propanol. Okay, propanol. This way we can write the IUPAC name. This is the IUPAC name. Propane 2-ol or 2-propanol. Both way we can write. Okay, now CS3, CS2, 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 OH. CS3, CS2, CS, OH and CS3. Okay. Now, so here your state chain, this one, and this is the functional group. Here also a state chain, and this one is the functional group. Okay, this is the functional group. All here also hydroxyl functional group. Okay. Now, numbering the carbon atom. Look here. If you numbering left to right, then the position 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay. If you numbering the carbon atom right to left 1, 2, 3, 4. So now try to give the OH bonded to the carbon in the parent lowest possible number. So when you numbering left to right, this carbon here position is 4. But when we numbering right to left, so here position of this carbon here OH position here 1. So this way is the correct way. Okay. This way we can write. Now word root is total number of carbon 4. So but is the word root. N is the primary suffix. Okay. N is the primary suffix. Then ol can be written ol, and position of this one here the OH is 1. Okay. Now finally we get the butane E replaced by ol dash 1 ol. Okay. Now 1 butanol. Okay, this way we can write 1 butanol. But here now same formula, same position of OH here change. Now you numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again right to left 1, 2, 3, 4. So when numbering left to right, position of this OH in the parent here 3. Okay, but right to left the position of OH here the 2. Okay, second position. So second is the lowest number than 3. So this way is the correct way. Right to left to right is the incorrect way. So right to left is the correct way to numbering the carbon atom. Now same you write but is the word root. But is the word root plus A and E plus ol. Position of ol is 2. Now finally butane 2-ol. Okay. Butane 2-ol. Butane dash 2 dash ol. Butane 2-ol or 2-butanol. 2-butanol. This is the IUPAC name. Same here, same number of carbon, functional group also same, position is different. Okay, so this way you can write the IUPAC name in the case of the alcohol. Okay, now CS3 OH and CS3, your compound like this. Okay, then what is the IUPAC name? Now we have to select this chain at first. We have selection of longest chain. Now circle the substituent. This is the hydroxyl group, methyl as a substituent. Okay, now numbering the carbon. Okay, first step we have to select the longest chain, then identify the substituent. Here this is the functional group, other is the alkyl group. Now numbering the carbon atom, we have to focus during numbering the carbon. Here the functional group bonded to the parent chain, that position of the functional group should be lowest possible number. So now we can check. So numbering the carbon atom left to right 1, 2, 3, 4. So here left to right 3 position of the OH, but when we numbering right to left 1, 2, 3, 4. So numbering right to left here second position only. So this way is the correct way. Left to right is the correct way. Okay. Now write down. So total number of carbon is 4. So but. Okay. But is the word root plus carbon single bond A and E. N is the primary suffix here, carbon. Now plus here position of OH 2, and then here term is written what? Name is the hydroxyl, but term is the secondary suffix. Ol can be written here, the ol. Okay. Now before the word root, here the alkyl group, here the secondary prefix can be written. So here the methyl, okay, methyl, and position of methyl 3-3 methyl. Now finally we get the 3 methyl dash but plus n, e replaced by ol. Okay, here the e vowel, o also vowel, so e replaced by ol, so dash to ol. Also 3 methyl 2 dash butanol. Both way you can write. Okay, this also, this also. Okay. Okay, now next example, suppose CH3 CH3 CH2 CH3 OH and CH3. Okay, now we have to select the longest chain and also focus if your compound having the functional group here, this functional group. So this functional group, when you select the chain, this bonded with the parent carbon. Okay, this way also. Suppose numbering, suppose you select the numeration 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So here straight chain 5 carbon, bent also 5 carbon. But when you select this bent shape, this OH is not included in the parent chain. So we have to focus when you select the chain, this OH bonding to the parent, your chain. Okay, this chain. Now, so we have to select like this straight chain or the bent chain, bent shape. If you get same number of carbon, then always you prefer the straight. Okay, so easy to identify the other substituents. Now this is the methyl. Okay, methyl. This is ethyl, and now this one is the ol, hydroxyl group, functional group. Okay, functional group. This is what ol can be written. Okay, ol. Now numbering the carbon atom. After this, numbering the carbon atom. So left to right or right to left. If your chain is the straight, then two-way numbering, left to right or right to left. Okay, now left to right first. 1 2 3 4 5. Right to left. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now we have to focus OH bonded to the parent chain, parent carbon. That carbon means the position of the OH should be lower, lowest possible number. So here the right to left is the position is 2, but when in numbering left to right, here position is 4. So this way is only correct way. Here the left to right is in incorrect way. Okay. Now word root. So word root always write down. Here the word root is how many carbon? Paint, 5 carbon. Paint is the word root. N is the primary suffix. Carbon, carbon, what bonding? Single bond. Okay, N. Now after the primary suffix, secondary suffix, all term can be written. Position of this OH is 2. Okay. Now before the word root, here methyl and ethyl. Okay. So according to the IUPAC system, if two different alkyl group present in the compound, okay, as a substituent, then which can be written first? So in the alphabetical order, we have to follow the alphabetical order. So alphabetically methyl and ethyl. So ethyl at first, here ethyl can be written first because alphabetically E first comes, then methyl. So you write the ethyl, then methyl. And position of the ethyl and methyl. So position of ethyl is 3 and position of methyl is 4. Okay. Now finally we get the 3 ethyl dash 4 dash methyl dash paint plus N, E replaced by ol and 2 ol. 3 ethyl 4 methyl pentane 2 ol. Okay, or 2 pentanol. Here this way. 3 ethyl 4 methyl 2 pentanol, 2 pentanol. Okay, both way we can write. Okay, both are the IUPAC name of this given structure. Okay. Okay, now in the next example, CH3 CS2, CS3, here OH. Now we have to write the name. First we have to select the chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this chain, because the OH present in the, so select the street. Now other is the substituents. Okay, this one. So here the functional group ol, and other is the methyl, ethyl, other again methyl. Okay, 2 methyl and 1 ethyl. One is the functional group OH. So ol is it. So now numbering the carbon atom. So try to give this carbon the lowest possible number, because this carbon bonding with the functional group. Our class of compound is alcohol. So try to give the lowest possible number this carbon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so left to right 4 position, right to left 3rd position. So this is the correct way. Left to right is the incorrect way. Now write the word root. Number of carbon 6. So hex is the word root. Plus An is the primary suffix, carbon single bond. Okay. Plus ol is the secondary suffix, and position of the OH ol is 2. Okay. Now not position 2, 3 position. Okay. Now before the word root, what term written? This secondary prefix, alkyl groups. Now the alkyl here 2 methyl and 1 ethyl. Okay. So ethyl and methyl, which one written first? Ethyl can be written first. So position of the ethyl is 4, ethyl, and position of the methyl first 3 and 5. So 3, 5. Here the di term can be written dimethyl. Okay. Now finally we get the 4 ethyl dash 3, 5 dimethyl. Okay. Dash hex plus N, E replaced by ol, hexane, and 3 ol. Okay. This way we can write hexane 3 ol. Other also here the 4 ethyl 3, 5 dash dimethyl dash 3 hexanol. Both way you can write. Okay. 4 ethyl 3, 5 dimethyl hexane 3 ol. 4 ethyl 3, 5 dimethyl. Okay. Before the word 3 can be written, and combinedly you can add the hexanol, 3 hexanol. So this way also we can write. Okay. Now, so guys, in the next part I will discuss in detail so IUPAC name of the alcohol, a different example. Okay, so you need more practice if you want to write the IUPAC name of the given structure in the exam. So structure of the compound is given, mostly we have to write this name. Sometime name is given, we have to write the structure. Okay, so in the next part, in the part 2, I will discuss both and different other example. 2 times OH present, 3 times OH present, more than 3 times OH present in the compound. Okay, so in the second part I will discuss. Thank you so much for watching this video.